Hi everyone, today I want to talk about another myth, one that I actually quite hate, and that is pain medications are the only solutions for chronic pain. Now, when pain becomes a constant companion, it's understandable to want to have fast relief, and pain medications can often provide that. The problem though is, whilst medication can help you get through the day, it rarely addresses why the pain is there in the first place. Now, over time, relying solely on medication can mean the underlying issue goes unaddressed, allowing it to persist or even worsen. And so for many people, pain management has traditionally been presented as a choice between take medication or just live with it. And this thing is, it leaves people feeling powerless, especially if they've been told there's nothing else that can be done. And it's pain medications, like they absolutely have their time and place, especially for short-term relief during flare-ups. But the thing is, for chronic pain, long-term use can actually come with side effects like dependency risks and like reduced effectiveness over time. So there's a massive limitation of masking pain, because pain's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right. If you only mask it with medication, it's like turning down the volume on a fire alarm while taking the battery out, but the fire's still burning. Like the signal might be quieter, but the problem's still there. So chronic pain is complex and it's often influenced by multiple factors. You know, some of the factors could be like posture, inflammation, even stress. But like this is where you need to have a holistic approach, which can be quite effective. And at Pro Health, chiropractic care for chronic pain focuses on restoring healthy movement in the restricted joints, which improves your posture, leading to unnecessary strains and pressure, supports your nervous system so that you can regulate the pain signals more effectively. You also want to change and modify your lifestyle to increase your movement, decrease inflammation. So you want to set yourself up for habits that support long-term relief. And in many cases, the best results come from a combination of approaches. Sometimes that includes medication, but it's always supported by strategies that target the root cause. Pain medication, it can play a role in managing chronic pain, but it's not the only solution, and it's rarely the complete solution. Addressing the underlying causes gives you the best chance for lasting improvement and greater mobility and having more control over your life. Now, if you've been managing chronic pain with medication alone, it might be time for you to consider a different approach. If you're interested in chiropractic care and want to have an appointment with myself at Pro Health, give us a call on 6299 2660. Thank you.